All my upcoming YouTubers gather here. So I'm about to tell you what I've experienced on YouTube and things you should not do once you are getting into YouTube. So from my experience, I know I'm not an expert, but I'm just saying this for experience. So people that want to come into YouTube we know what they are coming into and what they should not do once they are in into YouTube. So number one thing you must not do once you are coming into YouTube, number one thing is don't buy expensive gadget. You don't need expensive gadget. Don't do that. Okay. Don't do that. All you need is just your phone. Your phone and even this, you don't need this. When I started doing YouTube, I was thinking that I need expensive gadgets. So it took me about 6 months to 1 year before I started because I was thinking I need a brand new phone, an iPhone at that, because people video are clear. So I need an iPhone so that I can make a good video. I need a mic so that people can hear my voice. Cool. All that thing is good, but once you are waiting for that, it might takes forever before you start doing your YouTube. Okay, it might take forever. So why don't you just start with what you have? The earlier you start, the higher your chances of to succeed increase. It took me about 1 year before I started. Like I said before, it took me about 1 year because I was thinking that I need mic, I need iPhone to start my YouTube. So once I've been waiting for so many time, I was waiting, and I didn't have the money to buy it. Automatically, I just start it. So once you are coming into YouTube and you are thinking like you need an iPhone, you need a mic, you need camera, you need all those. You don't need those things. Don't buy it. Just start with what you have. Okay.